Hi everyone, welcome back to the online English classes of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I'm Sabida Joseph, your English teacher. In the last class, we discussed the word meaning. Today, let us discuss the question answer session from our textbook. First one is A. You need to find out the true and not true statements. Second one is B. Answer in details. So today, let us discuss this question answers. Get ready.
Comprehension A. See if these statements are true or not true. See the first one. Navratri celebrates the victory of evil over good. Is it true? Not true, because Navaratri celebrates the victory of good over evil. Next one. Bommai means bells. Is it true or not true? It is not true, because Bommai means dolls. Third one. The dolls of gods and goddesses are always placed on top. Is it true or not true? Yes, it is true. In Bommekolu, the dolls of gods and goddesses are always placed on top. Fourth one. Rima arranges the dolls in the kolu all by herself. Is it true or not true? It is not true, because Rima's duty is floor arrangement. The dolls in the kolus are arranged by her parents. Next one. 5. The Japanese festival of dolls is celebrated twice a year. Is it true or not true? It is not true, because the Japanese festival of dolls is celebrated once in a year. Section B. Answer in detail. Read the text again and make a list of things that are common between Hinamatsuri and the Bommekolu. Then make a list of things that are different. Use the first one is when. When is Bommekolu and Hinamatsuri is celebrated? Bommekolu is displayed every year during the Navaratri festival, which in the months of September-October. Hinamatsuri is celebrated on March 3 every year. So when we display this Bommekolu? Yes, Bommekolu is displayed every year during the Navratri festival. In which month? September, October. And when is Hinamatsuri celebrated? It is celebrated on March 3 every year. So both these festivals are celebrating every year. Bommekolu is during the Navratri festival in the month of September, October. What is displayed? What is displayed in both these festivals? Dolls are displayed in both festivals. What is the answer? Dolls are displayed in both festivals. Yes, we learned from this lesson. In Bommekolu and Hinamatsuri also, they display dolls. So, what is displayed? The dolls are displayed in both festivals. See the next one. See, how are they displayed and in what order? How are they displayed and in what order? They are asking how these dolls are displayed in what order. Answer. In the Bommekolu, the dolls of gods and goddesses are placed on top. In Hinamatsuri, the dolls of kings and queens are displayed on top. So in both these festivals, dolls are displayed. But there are some difference in the order of the dolls. In Bommekolu, the dolls of gods and goddesses are placed on top. And what about Hina Matsuri? In Hina Matsuri, the dolls of kings and queens are displayed on top. What is displayed in Hina Matsuri on the top? On the top, there will be the dolls of kings and queens. So that's the difference. In both these festivals, dolls are displayed. In Bommekolu, the dolls of gods and goddesses are placed on the top. In Hina Matsuri, the dolls of kings and queens are displayed on the top. See the next clue. For how many days? For how many days these dolls are displayed? Answer. Bommekolu is displayed for 9 days. The Hina Matsuri dolls are displayed for just a day. Okay, so what's the answer? How many days these dolls are displayed? Bommekolu is displayed for 9 days. We know that Bommekolu is a tradition followed by Navratri. Navratri means 9 nights. It is 9 days celebration. So, these Bommekolu dolls are displayed for 9 days. Then, how many days our Hina Matsuri dolls are displayed? The Hina Matsuri dolls are displayed for just a day. It is displayed only for 1 day. Okay, so that's the difference. Next one. E. Is someone in the family given special importance? Is someone in the family given special importance? Answer. Women and girls of the family are given importance in both these festivals. Women and girls of the family are given importance in both these festivals. Hina Matsuri is celebrated to wish good health and happiness for girls, and in both these festivals the dolls are often handed down by mothers to their daughters. So women get more importance in these both festivals. So women and girls of the family are given importance in both these festivals. Now let us see the second one. Write a few lines about the Bommekolu floor arrangement that Rima talks about. Yes, in this lesson, we saw that Rima is talking about the Bommekolu festival and what is her duty. She's saying that she makes models of royal courts, towns with marketplaces, police stations, and playgrounds. This year, she has a new park set. So, what's the answer? She makes models of royal courts, towns with marketplaces, police stations, and playgrounds. This year, she has a new park set. So these all are her floor arrangement for Bommekolu. Okay, let us see the next question. Question number 3. In what order are the dolls arranged in the Japanese festival of dolls? In what order are the dolls arranged in the Japanese festival of dolls? Answer. During the Hina Matsuri festival, the dolls of the emperor and the empress are placed on top. The other members of the royal court stands a little below. So what is the order of the dolls in Hina Matsuri? During the Hina Matsuri festival, the dolls of the emperor and the empress are placed on the top. Which all dolls are placed on the top? The dolls of the emperor and the empress are placed on the top, and other members of the royal court stands a little below. On the top, there will be the dolls of Emperor and Empress, and other members of the royal court stands a little below. That is the order of the dolls in the Japanese festival of dolls, that is Hinamatsuri. Okay. In your textbook, page number 50, you can see a speaking activity. That is, look at the picture, work with a friend, describe the room, use the clues given. Here you can see an image of a room and some clues are also given, like tall, colorful, a big golden window, red and green, 5, big and comfortable, tall, white. You can use these clues and you can speak about this room. You have to describe this room. In this image, you can see different things are there. Is it? So you can use these clues and make sentences. You can speak about this room to your parents. For example, you can start like this. There is a tall Christmas tree in one corner of the room. It has beautiful red and green decorations and other colorful trinkets. Okay, like this you have to describe this picture to your parents. An example also attached in the Google Classroom. You can check it after doing this speaking activity.
So children, I hope you understood today's class. If you have any doubts, you can call me and clear your doubts. I have attached a file with the answers of these questions in the Google Classroom. Download it and study. We will meet in the next class. Until then, take care. Bye.